Hi, my name is Cortland Hansen. I'm the Fixed Wing Assistant Chief Flight Instructor for SUU Aviation. Ever wonder what our fleet looks like? Let's go take a look.
Here at SUU Aviation, we operate a fleet of Cirrus SR-20 G6 aircraft.
The SR-20 aircraft is the safest aircraft any student can possibly train in.
In 2017, we acquired brand new Cirrus SR-20 G6 aircraft. Each of them are technically advanced aircraft equipped with Garmin G1000 Perspective Plus avionics and come installed with a CAPS parachute system that may be deployed by a pull the handle during any emergency scenario.
We utilize 2 Citabria aircraft in order for you to obtain your spin training and tailwheel endorsement. We have 2 Beechcraft Baron aircraft for your multi-engine rating.
In addition, we use 2 Beechcraft Bonanzas for complex, commercial, and CFI training. You'll train with the best certified instructors out there in the safest conditions possible. You'll fly over national parks like the Grand Canyon, Zion National Park, and many others. So, if you're ever worried about flight time, don't worry, we got you covered.
If you're interested in becoming a fixed-wing pilot, don't hesitate to call or ask for some information.
Reach out to us today, and I guarantee you it will be the best decision you've made in your life. If you're ready to achieve greatness and climb up to the next level, then consider joining us at SUU Aviation.